can see you're worried.
How come you're not adding this?
Well, we'll see. My approach involves an innovative and complex scientific process. The first stage is to vacuum pack the steak.
You don't put it in your mouth.
Seal in the juices. Now into a water bath set at precisely 55 degrees. Using a method
That's why it
of
was
cooking called
supposed to
sous vide, which is relatively well known to chefs. Inside the bath, heat is moving
start
from
mixing
the
yourself
water
in.
to the steak. Gently
No, mix it with the color. Add the color.
No,
I don't like color.
Yes. Add the color.
Now this
Hurry,
is
add it,
the
Riley.
exact
Just add it.
temperature at which beef is cooked, medium
Put it
rare.
on the spoon, not on the...
So 1 hour later, my entire steak
Okay,
is
good.
cooked to perfection.
Of course. Get more balls.
We could eat this right now, but crucially, we don't have that nice charred stuff on the outside.
Wow,
It gives
Kalea, look at what you
wonderful flavour.
did.
So here's my problem.
Well, I guess they give you
How
enough
can I
to make
create
more,
a
right?
crispy outer shell without cooking the inside any further.
I understand the process of the water bath and the deep fat frying, but I'm really struggling with why you need liquid
I
nitrogen.
expected it
I'll
to
try and
show.
draw a diagram. This is how my brain works.
We need
But,
more balls.
Essentially, the theory is this. Here's the
You
steak.
need to put more balls in
You
You
mine.
can use your
cooked it
hands.
perfectly, so it's medium
It's gonna
rare.
be so disgusting.
But now we need to create all this flavour, and we're going to deep
There's a
fat
lot
fry
of
it.
balls on the floor,
But as we
Michaela.
deep fat
See
fry
it?
The outside's going to be very hot.
Okay,
It's gonna
static.
start cooking all this in here, and that's going to get dry and not be so delicious. So we want to create a barrier to that, and that's when we put it into liquid nitrogen. All of this is going to be frozen,
Bro, this is...
and if we get the thickness of that layer,
Look at her.
frozen layer, gives us
Wow, you like
gives us
it?
time on the outside while it's in the deep fat to get the ion reaction to happen all the way around. And of course, getting that thickness right is how long
Come.
we put it into the liquid
See if she'll hold
nitrogen.
it.
So the longer we put the
Go to
liquid nitrogen, the thicker that layer will be.
Come, Kalea.
If we can finish the Maillard reaction by the time this is thawed, we'll have a
Yeah, Mum.
perfect cooked steak on the inside and a perfect delicious on the outside. Ta-da!
You have a massive risk here.
Put everything
of serving
in.
steak that's
Pick
gonna
the
be
balls up,
beautifully
Michaela, and
coloured,
put it
it's gonna
in.
Look great. It's going to be
Ah!
soft,
Don't.
perfect in the centre.
You're not
You
supposed
could
to
have this
eat
thinner
it.
layer of it being frozen.
That